Trust is actually, I would say, our number one asset, both with our donors and with the people that we serve. Without that, we couldn't do the work that we do. So our donors trust us, trust that we will do the right thing, and that's why they support us. It takes so long to build trust.
Yes.
Take only one bad incident, even unintentional, to destroy it. So I am extremely vigilant on this topic. I think about it all the time because that would be a nightmare for me.